Hey guys, it's day 3 of trying trends, and today we're making Tanghulu. Or Tanghulu. Tanghulu. I don't know, however you want to say it, but let's get to it. Hi guys, today I'm gonna make Tanghulu, or Tanghulu, however you want to say it. But all you need is fruit. Strawberries and grapes are a good fruit. Toothpicks, long or short, a glass cup, and sugar, and you need to set aside an ice bath for later. The measurements you will need is 1 tablespoon and 1 cup. The first thing you need to do is measure out 1 cup of sugar and put it into your glass cup or bowl. After you put your sugar in, you will need to grab your tablespoon and put 4 tablespoons of water in your sugar. After you put in your water, don't stir the sugar and water mixture. Just swirl it around as needed. After the water is mixed properly with the sugar, put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. After you get it out of the microwave, you need to check the consistency with a toothpick and swirl it around for a minute. After you do that, you need to check if it hardens or if it is too liquidy. After you stir it for a minute and check your toothpick and it is too liquidy, like mine, you need to put it back in the microwave for 1 minute. In the meantime, prepare your strawberries and grapes and put them on your skewers or toothpicks so that they will be ready. After you get it out of the microwave, check the consistency again with the toothpick and then dip it back in the water and bite down on it. Then you will hear a crunch. If you do not hear a crunch, then your consistency is not ready. If your consistency is ready, then you can start dipping your fruits. And you need to dip your fruit as fast as possible and dip them in the water. After the first minute, I tried to test one of the grapes to see if the consistency was right. Unfortunately, it didn't work on my first try, so I put it back in the microwave for 1 minute. The second time I took it out of the microwave, it was the right consistency and I could start dipping my fruits. I recommend using a pot holder to hold your glass cup because it is hot. After checking the consistency, you can start dipping your fruits and remember to work fast.